Admit it, which one of us hasn't lusted over these beautiful classic cars? Gleaming chrome, iconic designs, and of course, the joy of top-down motoring in a classic sports car. Speaking of sports cars, is there anything more iconic than the awesome sports cars from the one British brand that truly stands out head and shoulders over everything else? MG. Sadly though, cars can sometimes get neglected. But just like how a diamond in the rough can get polished back to glory, we here at Autocar India decided to take on the challenge and restore a classic MG back to life so it could once again make people smile. And while in some cases restorations can take well over a year, we set ourselves a challenge. Just 3 months to get this MG Midget back to being an absolute head turner. There were setbacks, there were challenges, but will the end result make it all worth the effort? To find out, join us as we embark on the revival, a journey of resurrection with the MG Midget, a true British motoring icon.